guys, good evening sa ating lahat. So, andito ako ngayon. I'm here to grocery house. So, look my, you see, amount of 2014 my grocery today. So now, toaster that I buy. So this one is food for my daughter. Cheese buns, Mali. So I have check it now. But all in all is San Marino. This is 5 I think San Marino. Yeah, that one. And corn beef, this kind of thing, I get this one. And corn beef and rice. And this one mine. And this one is for my little one. My water drink. And here, black log. Yeah, not again, guys. Okay. So next is, the rice guys is here. 5 kilos. 5 kilos good for 2 weeks for my pencils. So I look the rice, how much the rice here. So the rice here is 320, 5 kilos. So next is other also fruit and vegetables and meat. So now that's it. I have 2 apple. Apple is 102. Look that guys. 102. Presyo dalawang peraso. So now, then my vegetable and chicken nuggets for my little one. And amount of pork 199, 1/2. Pork adobo. Then from pork chop is kalahati or 1/2 is 222. So next I buy is this one nice. Next. So shampoo, head and shoulder, Korean soap, keratin, because that I'm using guys. And for my face is Garnier. That I'm using to my face, okay? And bread. That's the bread. This bread is very important to me. So every I'm hungry or I eat, that's I want. Okay? And bitter soy, soya milk, cooking oil, and bitter soy, agritas machitos for my daughter, and sabor, chili mansi, and Ovaltine, and another corned beef, guys. Another corned beef. That's for my gift, guys. Gift. I give to them. And then sugar, 1/2 kilo. And here, Dutch milk for, that's it. And another one, Pagan beef. Okay. So that is my grocery today, guys. Okay? Tonight or today. Ayan. The amount of 3,014. Look at that, 3,014, guys. So that I buy. Alright. So, thank you so much for watching. Ayan, guys, ang aking mga binili or I'm buying today. So, thank you, God, because I have food again. Alright? Ayan. So, that's it. Even kami lang dalawa, but I need to produce